The town of Havensville, one of the stops on a little railway. It wasn't like the massive main lines you and I are both used to, but it was just as important. This is the Somersby Railway, and this is Desmond. They and Welsh driver Reese work together up and down the line, doing whatever needs doing. Everyone knows them and looks forward to Desmond's happy little whistles every few hours as they rush through each town.
However, not everything is perfect.
Things will be furious.
What on earth was that?
I'm not sure. Let's go back and look.
Right.
There was Clara, the baker's daughter. She was on the ground with bread everywhere.
What happened, Clara?
Oh, Reese, I was trying to get to the bus on time with my father's new batch, but I was too late, and in my mad dash I dropped them all. Now it'll never get there on time.
Well, that's a bugger.
Don't worry, Clara. Hop aboard. We can get there faster than any old bus.
You'd really do that for me?
Of course. Now hop aboard.
Ready?
Ready!
Go it, Desmond, you can do it.
I'm doing my best.
But Desmond had forgotten one small thing. There ahead was Abby.
Desmond, what are you doing?
Helping out a friend.
Oh, crumbs.
What? No! The signalman was just in time.
Oh, phew.
Come on, Desmond.
Ah!
Brake, Desmond, brake, 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 brake! Oh, for God's sakes, really?
But plucky little Desmond wasn't giving up.
Not too far down the line was a set of points where Desmond could change onto the other track.
Oi! What the bloody hell do you think you're doing?
My job.
Oh no. There's the bus. We're not going to make it in time.
You seem to forget how rubbish buses are, so Clara.
Did we do it?
Look. We did it. We beat the bus. Oh, Reese. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, don't thank me. Desmond's the one who got you here after all.
Clara walked up to the front of Desmond.
Thank you so much, Desmond. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Desmond was so tired they could only smile. Now Desmond and Clara see each other often on her daily market run. Sometimes she just gives a friendly wave, but most of the time she is waiting happily for Reese to help her up into the cab and set off towards the market, although a little less reckless.